Hey, you want to delete all or multiple text messages on your iPhone 17 Pro Max quickly and easily? So just clear your inbox and message contacts in just a few steps. So just from your message app, go to individual contact and now tap and hold any message. Then select more, choose all the messages you want to remove and tap the delete icon. And see they're gone instantly. And now to delete entire message thread or contacts, swipe left on the conversation, tap delete, or you can go to edit, select messages to choose multiple chats at once. And now wait, for a super fast method, use two fingers to swipe down and select all the conversations at once and now tap the delete icon at the bottom right. And now hit delete for confirm and see all selected messages disappear in one go. And that's it. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.